A group concerned with biosafety in Nigeria has called for the review of the National Biosafety Management Agency Act to close existing gaps and to ensure it protects the interests of the Nigerian people. It says Section 10 of the Act should be reviewed to exclude promoters of genetically modified organisms in the governing board of the agency. Correspondent Helen Osamede-Akins reports.
The United Nations Food Agencies report that around the world, about 700 million people regularly go to bed hungry. About 60 million of the population are Nigerians. To achieve food security, the Nigerian government approved its first genetically modified food crop after several years of research by its scientists. But the introduction of genetically modified organisms has heightened biosafety concerns in Nigeria.
Small-scale farmers, fishers and herders are among the most hungry in the world.
Here at this conference, speakers are concerned about the development of GMOs because of the weaknesses in biosafety practice by administrators, policymakers and its users. The call on policymakers to review the National Biosafety Management Agency Act to ensure the safety of all Nigerians.
To the Biosafety Act was to create a crack in the door so as to open Nigeria to vested interest, promoting the easy to weaponize and extinction-driving gene editing technologies, biosafety architecture in Nigeria, and invest resources towards ensuring that our farmers get out of poverty and hunger and do what they have always done.
Some GMOs are modified to withstand the use of herbicides, so it makes farmers spend more money trying to get those herbicides that accompany the GM products. Researchers have linked consumption of GMOs to cancers, to allergic diseases, birth defects, and a number of other implications.
But government thinks otherwise, saying the interest of Nigerians is topmost in its heart and will at all times ensure the safety of its citizens.
Government officials will buy from the market. So if there are bad seeds or bad products in the market, will the government officials understand that this is the same bad product they have sold to them? The issue of farmers on genetically modified organisms. So far, there are no genetically modified organisms on a commercial stake for the farmer to buy.
A genetic modified organism is a plant, animal, microorganisms, or other organism whose genetic makeup has been modified in a laboratory using genetic engineering or transgenic technology. The group also recommends that the government should support small-scale farmers whom they believe are the major producers of food items in the country. Helen Osamede-Akins, TVC News, Abuja.